kid choice. On today's episode, we'll be making fresh lemon sorbet. Let's get started. So first, we add 2 cups of water. And then add 1 cup of lemon juice.
First, let's squeeze lemon juice.
Yeah. And then add 1 cup of sugar. And then stir it on up. Let this come to a mild simmer until the sugar is dissolved. Now let's add the lemon zest. Come on. Now let's stir.
Turn it off.
Okay.
There you go.
Now we're going to pour this in a container and freeze it for 8 hours. Let this cool for 20 minutes before freezing. Make sure you stir it every hour for the first 3 hours.
Stir the sorbet every hour for the first few hours to break up the ice crystals.
So here's our lemon sorbet with sugar dipped lemon slice. Now I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a comment below and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!